Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the page orientation or page settings in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and then you want to go down and select where it says Page Setup. So at this point, if you want to apply different page orientation settings, you can select the little drop down here to select certain pages or certain content. If you want to do the whole document, you just can select the whole document there. And then for orientation, you can select either portrait or landscape view. And in terms of additional page settings, you can adjust the margins for the text on the page as well as the paper size, as well as the page color. If you want to have a different background color, you're welcome to have that as well. And then once you've made your selection, you can select OK. You also can select a certain setup as the default by selecting the Set as Default button here, just going forward. So pretty straightforward process on that. And you also have additional settings underneath page lists. And the page list format allows you to add wide images and tables and consume content without the interruption of page breaks. So if you just kind of want to have one big picture, you don't want to have to scroll through different pictures or different pages in order to see the full image, you can select that as an option here as well. And you can select the background color to choose from that list as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.